Did you ever crave for a classic meal like beans and sausage? If you did, then we are in the same boat. Beans and sausage is a classic meal made almost worldwide. Every country has its own special recipe. We have made our version of beans and sausage that we simply love. But to tell you the truth, you can make it any way possible, and it is still delicious. We always use fresh smoked pork sausage, with a good amount of fat. We use two types. The thin ones will cook along with the beans, and we add some extra that are cooked directly on the fire. Cutting the sausage is straightforward. When done, we continue by dicing some white onions. For the exact amount, check the description below. We will add some finely diced green peppers. They bring a nice flavor to our dish. We peel and dice some carrots. We dice them because we use canned beans for this dish, otherwise you can slice them in big chunks. We finally slice some fresh garlic. And last, we finally chop some fresh parsley. The prep is done, so we proceed to our favorite part, starting the fire. It feels good after many months closing our homes to be outside and enjoy the crackling sounds of the burning wood. Cooking the dish is very easy. We start by adding to the hot cauldron some olive oil. Here you can add any fat or oil you desire. It is up to you. When hot, we add the carrots. We let them sear until they get a nice golden color. We continue by adding the diced green peppers. After 2 minutes, we add the onions and the garlic. We want a nice base with a lot of vegetables. They release their natural sugars and simply elevate the dish. When these are seared, we add the thin sausages to our base. We use whole peeled tomatoes, but you can use cherry or any kind you want. We season with salt, ground pepper and smoked paprika. We give it a good mix, and when it starts sticking to the bottom, you can add white or red wine, or even broth of some kind. We add plain water, don't worry, it will be still delicious. We add just a small amount to cover the vegetables. Last, we add a bay leaf and we leave it cook for roughly 30 minutes. When the vegetables are soft, we proceed by adding the beans. These are the pre-cooked ones. If you want to cook them yourself, first let them sit in the water for a night and add them right before adding the water. Be sure to count at least an extra hour of cooking time. After the beans are added, we give them a good mix and we let it cook for another 5 minutes. Our beans are ready. They look delicious. Now we start cooking the sausages. We love this recipe because it brings back amazing memories and it is delicious every time. It doesn't matter what you add to this dish. The vegetables give a nice sweet taste. The sausage and the smoked paprika gives an amazing smoked flavor. We love it. Always try to make it outside on fire if you can. It is way better. If you enjoyed our video, then feel free to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. It is free and it helps us a lot. Stay safe.